Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lisa and today I'm going to share with you guys some products from Swiss Beauty. It's an affordable brand with lot of amazing products. I have been using their products for quite a while, so I picked up some products from this brand and that I have never tried before. So this is kind of my first impression haul and review video of these products that I have got from Swiss Beauty. So let's get started. So I have got 5 products in here from Swiss Beauty, and let's start with the foundation itself. This is Swiss Beauty Mousse foundation in the shade Natural Beige. This is retailing for rupees 449. That is really nice. Comes in this very luxurious looking tube. This the texture of this foundation is very smooth and it has a medium coverage. The shade is a bit lighter for my skin type, I feel that, but other than that this feels so good. It feels very lightweight and comfortable to wear, like a BB cream. Actually, it is very perfect for everyday use and this does not dry out very easily. I really like it. Next, I have a concealer. This is Swiss Beauty Super Concealer Opaque Coverage Makeup Base. This is actually a refill pack for your concealer palette. This one is just perfect, guys. This provides a very high coverage. It does dry down pretty fast, so you definitely have to set it very quickly, but it stays in place for a very long time. Although opening it is quite difficult, but it is a refill pack for a concealer palette, so just keep that in mind. It is actually very affordable. It is retailing for just 99 rupees. This is a very creamy formula that provides a very high coverage actually. It is perfect for covering blemishes and dark spots and redness as well. As you can see, it provides a very high coverage, but it dries down very fast, so you have to work very quickly and set it very fast actually. Now moving on, I have this baked eyeshadow in the shade 07 Sea Green. I actually used to have another one of these. I love this eyeshadow, guys. This is such a beautiful shade. I really wanted to try this out. This is very pigmented and it is very easy to blend, and it has got this that shimmer, that looks very pretty, and I just love this. This is very affordable. Next, I have this lipstick from Swiss Beauty. I love their lipsticks. This one is Silk Matte Super Stay lipstick in the shade 06 Cherry Darling. It looks so luxurious, guys. This is a very pretty wine shade that suits every skin tone, guys. I love this shade, and also this is perfect and it stays on your lips all day long, guys. I'm not kidding. It stays like the entire day. The lipstick is super pigmented and the shade is very pretty, guys, and it has a magnetic closer, so it is perfect to carry. Next, I have a lip liner. I actually own these lip liners in every shade. I love this. This one is in the shade Red Hot L29, and this liner is actually perfect match for my lipstick actually. This retails for just 49 rupees, and these are super pigmented. They stay on place for a very long time and it is very smooth, glides on your lip very easily. All these products from Swiss Beauty are very affordable and I really like it. I hope you enjoy.